Hi guys, I just got something really cool from Faltradxxs in Marl. This is the Brompton Satchel from the Satchel company, which is a London-based company that make leather goods and satchels, and this is the Batchel, which is the bag for the Brompton. So it's this Turkish green because I've got 3 Turkish green Bromptons, and I saw this and I kind of fell in love with it. Even my husband said it's nice, so that's really cool. You can put up to 2.5 kilos weight in there, and it's just beautifully handmade leather bag. It's got a strap on it as well, and a little pocket in the front, and there's a sticker for the Brompton. I actually only went to get a sticker and some grips, but you know what I'm like. It's a fantastic shop. It's brand new now. It's kind of done out like a Brompton Junction, kind of like in the same style now, the shop, Faltradxxs in Marl. Really good. And yeah, I fell in love with this, and I think I'm going to buy the other one as well. I'm going to have to phone and say, can you keep the other one for me as well, because I like the Lagoon Blue too. So if you're watching this, Faltradxxs, ich will auch das Lagoon Blaues Tasche haben. Ich komme nächste Woche und hole es ab. Dankeschön. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I really like this, and I will have lots of fun with it. It looks very classy, doesn't it? Which is going to be good for work, pleasure, or whatever. It's just a beautiful bag. Look how nice that is. And it has the Brompton frame on the back there, and that's going to go on my bike as soon as I get home. Anyway, I'm at the drum kit shop. Hubby's buying a snare drum, so and that's all I'm doing for today. I'm just at an industrial area here. I'm just having a little read of the new the Brompton catalogue there, and then we're going to go shopping, and that's about it. Anyway, give me a thumbs up about the bag, and if you want any information about it, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Got loads of new videos coming, by the way, people. Loads!